In today's video, I'll show you how to add a deposit in Acuity step by step. If you want to collect partial payment or require clients to pay upfront when booking, this setup helps reduce cancellations and secure your appointments. First, open your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Before you can set up deposits, you need to connect a payment processor. Go to the Payment Settings section in your menu. Here, you can connect services like Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Click on your preferred option and follow the steps to sign in and authorize the connection. This allows Acuity to securely process payments. Once your payment processor is connected, go back to the Payment Settings area and look for Payment Rules or Deposit Settings. Now you can decide how you want to collect payment. You have a few options. You can collect a fixed deposit, like a set amount per booking. You can also choose a percentage deposit, such as 20% or 50% of the total service price. Or, if you prefer, you can require full payment upfront. Next, choose whether this rule applies to all services or only specific appointment types. If you want different deposits for different services, you can customize each one individually. After selecting your setup, save the settings to activate the deposit requirement. From now on, when clients book an appointment, they will be required to pay the deposit or full amount during checkout before confirming their booking. This helps you reduce no-shows, secure commitments, and manage your schedule. Before finishing, always test your booking flow to make sure the deposit is being charged correctly and everything works smoothly on both mobile and desktop. And that's it. You've successfully added a deposit in Acuity and improved your booking system with upfront payments. And that's how you add a deposit on Acuity. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.